Welcome to Virtual Play live game development streaming. We're a small indie game company in the Netherlands, making a lot of applied games, but also working on our own entertainment games. We have big plans, including a lot of new technologies and very cool new gameplay ideas. For this stream, we'll be showing the entire process of building our new game Hatchball, which is not really technically innovative, but a mashup of pinball and collecting and caring for cute creatures. My name is Stephan, and I've been programming and making games for over 30 years. When I was very young, I already had two big passions, music and computers. So I'm basically a self-taught programmer from a time before the internet and tutorials, and just studied computer science and artificial intelligence years later. Let's get started. Hello, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are, and welcome to another episode of Virtual Play live game development streaming. Yes, I would like to continue where I left off last time, which means I'm going to build on with the custom property drawer for pinball events, and maybe like assign a few events, but then really get started on the main menu, which hasn't even been designed yet. So that's actually pretty cool because I could just do a little of that on stream, and then we'll be I think we'll be iterating on that with the design people, and then just making sure that it works the way we want it to after this version, and then iterate on it in the next stream or something like that. Let's just see how far we get. All right, I've already opened everything. I can just put it back now. Let's see. Oh, I don't need to put that back. There we go. Where I left off is I added main logic to pinball event drawer. Some tweaks and testing is needed, I said to myself, which means I'm going to look into this. It's the property, it's the event drawer for property drawer for the pinball event, which means I'm going to go into Visual Studio and see, there it is. To continue here, what was I gonna do? Oh yes, an error. So every pinball event should have its error state, meaning that if the arguments are not all there or something like that, it should show that it's not complete. And I want to show that in the property drawer. So let's say I am going to continue here. I'm not using args error now, yes. So let's think, should I leave that to the pinball event itself? It does make sense. Is complete, or no, more like has error, and then with a string to maybe be able to tell the property drawer what the error actually is, and otherwise I'll return null if there's no error. Let's just put that here. Returns null. Oh, that's actually weep null if there is no error. Right, so has error, I could just leave this out. Has error doesn't return anything, yes, so I'm returning null by default, and then I will just check for everything. Oh, I can't do that. It's the drawer. Or can I? I'm actually curious if I can actually get to the object. I think I can, like object reference value. Let's see. property object reference value as pinball event has error. I'll make this a string as well. Let's see what's the problem here. Can't convert to pinball event. Oh, but I am drawing a pinball event. Property drawer. That's a problem. Why wouldn't I be able to cast this object reference value? Cannot convert Unity Engine object to pinball event. Oh, it's not an object reference component. Alright, so maybe I won't be able to do this. Or serialized object. That's it. Yes. No, that's an object again. Can I really not get to the... That's interesting. So because it's a property drawer, like based on only the... a Unity Git component, like, mono behavior from serialized property. Ouch. Okay, let's not do that. All right, so we'll keep it in here. Bloop, 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 bloop. Too bad. Okay, so I won't do that then. Well, I don't need a string then. I can just say that it's false for now. And then where do I want to set the... Actually, right away, I want to make sure that it's like when I'm drawing the fold out, I already want to do that here, fold out. So there I want to, let's see, type-based name. I want that to have a color, so that's not going to be as easy. It's going to be new. So what I'm doing here is I'm making a GUI content to make sure I can color it. It's the main label. So that's type-based name. What can I do? Tooltip, image, texture. All right, I'll make sure that I do it a different way. Though the image might work. No, I don't think so. Let's first see if main label works like this. Main label. Yep, still works. All right. Then I'm gonna make sure that I can use that color. Main label dot text. Oops. Style or something. That's super weird. GUI content. I was pretty sure I could put a style on the GUI content. Unity styling GUI content. Styling GUI content. Huh. GUI style, how to render it, but can I do that with fold out? Content. Style. Oh, I just provide that as well. Toggle on label click. Style. Okay, I'll just provide style. Then GUI style. Label style. So I think I can get like a default GUI style. None. Oh, it's the same. Although there I can't do that. Hold on, new GUI style, and then set some properties in this. That's always nice. Font. Yes. Font style. Yes. Font style is new. Oh, that's just that. Okay, so no. GUI style state. Oh yeah, that's what the rendering settings are actually in. That's like normal. I can't do that. Can I? Text color. There it is. Let's see if that works. Oh, doesn't work. Why not? Oh, yeah. No, that's just assigning parameters, like assigning properties. Oh, I should still label style. I should still use it. So now I'm passing a label and a style, so it should actually turn up in red now. Let's hope it does. Yes, it does. So this way I'm gonna show the designer that's building this specific level that the okay, that's not gonna work yet because it needs a fold out, needs an arrow. So I need the GUI style from a fold out. How do I get that? Header styles.fold out. Okay, that's super easy. So I can't do that anymore. Editor styles dot fold out. Fold out header, is it? Fold out header. I'm just gonna check that. Ooh, that's funny. I changed the actual. That's not gonna be nice. It's a reference type. Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, it's a class. So I'm actually going to go back to my previous way of doing it. I'm going to copy the GUI style and then just gonna assign normal that GUI style state, and then that's interesting because this is interesting. That one is still red. Why is it? I'm copying fold out header.
fold out. Let's say fold out without the header. And it still does this. That's super weird. Hey, hello. I didn't see you there. Nice talking to you earlier. The rest of the gang gonna join? Would be nice. Let's see. I'm doing this and I'm doing it all wrong. Why am I doing this so wrong?